Troy, Shu, and April here. We are in Lewistown, Montana, and we stopped at a rest area, which is kind of unique for a lot of places because this place is a campground and rest area. You can stay up to 10 days here, and it's maintained by the Lewistown Kiwanans. Really awesome people. We had the honor to meeting one of the people that volunteers to maintain this, and as you can tell, this place is very nicely maintained. Look at the grass. Grass is all cut everywhere. Plants look beautiful. They have male and female bathrooms, all flushable, fresh water and everything. They have some signs out here about the local history. There's a lot of spots here that you can camp at. They have a pet area, so if you're running around with a Rover in the car, you can take him out for a little walk out there. Back here in the background is Lewistown Municipal Airport. And if you ever get a chance, check out the Lewistown Army Airfield. This place has a lot of history with the bombers, B-17 bombers. It's really cool. There's also an RV out here, so if you're passing by, look, sometime soon, there's a really nice Springdale RV out here for sale too. But yeah, look at this place. It is beautiful. You got mountains in the background. Over across the street, you have a Diorama. You have a John Deere. You have a couple other places. So they got something, a little something for everybody. Further down, you got the main town also. So if you get a chance, this is the Judith Basin Country. I'll even pop a picture of this up on the screen so you can actually sit and read this. So, what does it say? Please, please stop killing all the gophers. Save some for the hawks, eagles, and owls. These birds need food too. There you go. Stop killing the, what do you call them? Stop killing the gophers. Alright, so we're gonna get back on the road. We're heading back east, so until next adventure.